This is the pigeon pose, and this series is called Movement of the Week. I did miss the last 2 weeks, but it's still a movement and it's still during the week, so we're counting it. I prescribe pigeon to probably half of my clients. If you sit a lot, struggle to squat to parallel, or constantly feel lower back stiffness, there's a very good chance that your hips are holding on to a lot of tension. Pigeon pose has the potential to open tight hips, relieve lower back tension, and make lower body movements feel far less restricted. And I found that when your hips move better, everything else tends to feel better too. If your goal is to move better and perform this stretch right, which it should be, here's how to set it up properly. Find an elevation that lets your front leg sit at about 90 degrees. That might be the floor or a 24-inch box. If your knee has a hard time dropping down, an incline bench would work as well. Stay tall at first and use your hands for support. Then hinge forward slightly from your hips. Again, your hips, not your spine. Once you're here, you can either hold the stretch and breathe, adding some light downward isometric pressure, or move into and out of the position to gradually open it up. We're looking for controlled discomfort here, not a miserable stretch that you can't possibly relax in. And I'll be honest, this stretch might feel a little aggressive, especially if you haven't given your hips attention like this in a while. But that's okay. Just take your time, breathe, and try not to force the position. If you can set this up well and be patient with it, Pigeon has a ton of upside. And if you feel like you need more pigeons in your life, but want more subtle cueing and suggestions on how to best set it up, don't hesitate to reach out.